But so brand new video. Today this Dell 531 here, which has an overheating problem. I'm assuming it's the thermal paste again. Yes, again, I've done this in 2017. It's not 2024, and apparently it needs it again. The sad thing is, the factory thermal paste lasted longer than the shit I did years ago, which, yeah. Anyhow, so this is my grandpa's old computer. See that grandpa, you've seen it on the channel, playing him before. I did it for the Google email warm video, and because the worm opens the disk drive when you run it, and it overheated. So yeah, and then I said fuck it, I haven't touched it once. Wait, I need to play another. Okay, but I need it for yet another video, which is an anti-VM thing. So yay. So we're gonna try to fix it today. Hopefully it answers. Come on, please. Because all the fans work, no dust in it. Where's the memo about this stuff? Overheating. The computer will suddenly just shut down and the fans get loud and it shuts off. That just screams overheating. I'd like to check your fans. Make sure they're all running. Make sure there's not a certain amount of dust in the computer or the fans. And obviously, this is really obvious. It's probably the thermal paste. So here's the piano off here. I wasn't screwed in, I remember actually. I did have it screwed in. That screw holes it did line up somewhere, I thought. That? Oh, here's the CPU heatsink. I'm gonna pain in the ass to take this thing off. Yeah. Because then, I'm gonna do a little cheat that I figured out. That's what you can do. That's what we're gonna turn it down there on for 30 seconds. But because when there is still thermal compound on it, it's just probably bad. It's the overheating problem. But the issue is that thermal compound acts like a glue and holds the damn heatsink on. But after a few days, it'll get warm. You just see the pin to spin. That pin spins. There are none in the front. So see if I can do that does run. I got 15 seconds. Try to pop it out that way. Initially turn it off before you do this, obviously, but we're gonna let it heat up a minute. Not a minute, but just a few seconds here. Let it heat up. We'll cut the power off and try to take it off. Sorry about that. Same thing. Not too hot, it's hard to touch, but you're gonna have to warm for it. What is that? Oh, wonderful. Oh, that's horrible. Okay. Well, it didn't work. It pulled the fucking CPU off too. Yeah, I'll put the fan there. Here, how's that? So I damaged it, but don't look horrible. Great either. I did this years ago, so. Back in there. Yeah, that's not great, but this side looks good. So, Shot overheating all of a sudden, but whatever. Open it up. Put some more on. Hope it still works after this. Fuck. That's not what I wanted to do, but it always does it, man. I don't know why. I powered it the same thing. Let's try to put that a bit. Overheating here. You got there. There's the rest of the. Hey. Sure. Yeah. Alright. You done that? Hey, trick. Yeah. Look. Take a look at each week. Coffee cups. Or any small cup that you like to drink out of, really. Some rubbing alcohol. Not a whole lot, you barely don't get a whole lot in here. Oh goodness. Get dusty. Hey, see what just piss off. Anyhow. Q-tips. Rubbing alcohol. You know what? Rubbing alcohol is great for cleaning stuff. I probably know that. If you don't, now you do, you're welcome. And strip down to view. I did bring, if any extra content left over, you want a good and clean surface. You do not want to touch the CPU with your bare hands when you plan to install it. You do not want fingerprint oils on the CPU or the bottom of the heatsink. So, and maybe it's not that bad, honestly. I was kind of concerned with overheating when it didn't look that bad, actually. The first time I did it, usually it did look bad. I'm not supposed to overheated. Now I'm a little confused why, because it did not look bad at all. But, nonetheless, we'll change it. I'm already here, might as well, right? Do that thing in the heatsink. It's an easy process. It's a little hard for a first timer trying to do that heatsink off, which for me it didn't go too well because the CPU shocks come out, but I don't know why I've never had the CPU out of there actually. That's interesting. That it did that, but whatever. I think this one is the one part, this was the CPU touches the heatsink. Alright. Clean this out. And dry them out. This does it pretty quickly, so I should leave that video. But alright, I'll probably get to my face to the CPU if I fucking spill it. As I said, you don't want to touch the CPU with your bare hands, fingerprint oils. I do. Got two object silver, smoke. I use for something I really did. Or what actually. I'll take the lid off. okay, not horribly high amount, but enough. Oh no, you did it wrong, and fuck you. No matter how you do this, you can tell it, oh, you're doing it wrong. So you can do it my way, my way will do. However you want, I do not care how you do it. If you don't like how I do it, then I don't really give a shit. So, I have a plastic bag, my hands off it, that's what most of do. And just spread it around. We might need more than this. And possibly is. And I'd say later to cover up the CPU. Get rid of it. That was right. Alright. My way to do it, you spread it out. You already completely covers the CPU. You cannot see any of it, any of the writing on it. That's good me. Again, people say it's wrong. Your comments, kiss my ass. If it works, I do not care. It lasted 7 years, but it lasted another 7 years. So it needs it again. This cord, did not touch it. Got a tab the back, one up first, and then pull it to the front. On. Alright. Yeah, it's so good. Shit. There we go. Let's see what it is. Back here. And set it on. Put this clip over. And then pull it down tight. Yeah. Bought the fan and the fan header. Not a fucking bird connector because they want to son of this thing. It went built. I realized I plugged the fucking power supply's bird connector into the fan header on the motherboard. Whoops. It lives in the door. Alright. Can I screw this? I swear I had this thing screwed in before. What in there? Over. The one right there. I'm not just screw this, so fuck it. Okay. Then I fucking order. Nice. There we go. Oh, damn. I always lose the important shit, don't I? Ow. Damn you. Where the fuck did I put it? Yeah, there's some big things down there and can't fucking keep track of shit. Oh, hey, the fucking one. Right fucking, oh my god, it's right fucking there. Goddamn moron. Edit, cut that out, of course, you know. I'm very smart, I know that all the time. I'm not gonna do this, I'm not curious, no, I'm stupid. Anyhow. I'm not dumb, just stupid. Get wrong with the screws. There. There. Alright, there's the wrong kind of screw. I'm not gonna push it around it. So fuck it, it can flop. Put the TV coming back in. It won't work, I wonder why. And that should be it. Pop the cover back on. And last time, put the screw back in. Alright. Okay, give it a shot and see if it works. It probably does. I hope. My big ass monitor just got last week. The power. The power remote for this thing. Yeah. Here's the one I just. I need that input HDMI 1. So we're on 2 now. And the OT is how you need that channel one. It was to HDMI 1. That's the still starts up around. Oh, it didn't go boom yet. Well, it's supposed to be crazier. It's a good stuff. Should have posted. There we go. What's the other thing? I have no fucking clue. Actually, I have broke my stuff. Using a mouse keyboard now because I stole the other keyboard for oh. Well, that don't matter. Yeah, it's over here doing the fucking SP install. And I don't have this on me. Alright, for rinsing Google, I'll put this in here, see if it installs. And finishes. If it does, then we have a working computer. We can test it. I'll grab this when it's I have the results. Alright, so I'm putting looking at the CD. So I just start all over again on the drive. But we are getting through it. Oh, fuck. You know shit now, but also, yeah. Next, your name. When preset the stuff. Fuck it. Oh. Then we're gonna come SP to do, but I just want SP to do. Alright. So finally got to that till we fixed the problem. So before we went to do that, I forgot this is done. It started happening in like March or April. It's September by the way. So I forgot what I was doing. I knew I was change for the grow video. And that's all I remember. So how to get to the setup installer, we know we fixed the overheating issue. Didn't look that bad in there, but it was. Not right now. Name. I mean, finish. And there we go. And there's XP on a 42-inch screen. You need the video installed just to see how it's going. But yeah, I like to do that all on camera. This is fixed as far as I'm concerned. It installed all the way through now, so yay. Alright, let's go next to the video. It's a simple fix, probably a bit annoying. But you'll have that in time. I feel great, I think you guys take it easy.